Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to turn off Bixby Vision for accessibility options in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for Bixby Vision accessibility options and how to turn them off. So we need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu here, and at the top we have spoken assistance and Bixby Vision is here. So when we open it, we have our option to turn it off here. Of course, we can turn off only the options that we want to turn off and leave other on if we need to, but we don't want it at all. So no need to save. The phone remembers our setting. So just back out to our home screen and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.